Excel logical formulas are great because they make your spreadsheet do the work for you. Logical formulas are if statements. You're basically making Excel look at a data value and react to what's in there. It's like saying, if you see this number, do this, otherwise do that. And I'll show you how this works. So here I have a spreadsheet where I'm tracking how well my foster kittens are doing with playing with various toys. And here you see the first kitten, Mittens. He's caught the mouse once, which is good. And he can get bonus points if he catches it in midair. So if he catches it in midair and I check that off, this cell becomes true and suddenly these bonus points appear underneath. If he doesn't catch it in midair, it's false and the lazy kitten gets nothing. But what's going on here is there's a logical formula in this cell that says that if this checkbox is true or false, certain points will show up. I'm going to show you how that works by setting up the formula for socks. So here I am in the cell, and now I'm going to start my logical formula with an equal sign, which is how you start every formula, and then if, which is the trigger for logical formulas. And then I'm going to say if cell C6 is true, then socks will get 3 points. But if he's a lazy kitten and he doesn't catch it in midair, he gets nothing. And that's the end of my formula. And now you can see it working in this cell. He catches it in midair, 3 points. Lazy-ass kitten, no points. All because of this logical formula. Logical formulas don't just spit out numbers. You can also program them to spit out words. And I've set up another version of this spreadsheet where, depending on how many mice my kittens catch, they could be a good kitty or a lazy kitty. So look what happens with Mittens. He's only caught 2 mice. So he's a lazy kitty because I've set up a formula that says if he catches fewer than 3, that's what he is. But if I change this number to 4, suddenly he's a good kitty. So 4 mice, good kitty. 2 mice, lazy kitty. Now we're going to set up the same formula for socks. First we put in the equal sign to start the formula, and then if to start my if statement. Parentheses, cell C4, which is their mouse score, is more than 3 mice. Then they're a good kitty. And you put the words in parentheses so that Excel knows what words to put in the spreadsheet. And then if he doesn't make 3 mice or better, he's a lazy kitty. There's my formula. Now, right now, Socks is a very lazy kitty. He only caught 1 mouse. But if he suddenly finds some energy and catches 6 mice, look at that, he's a good kitty. The main thing to remember if you use words in logical formulas is to put quotation marks around them so that Excel doesn't get confused and try to treat it like a number. But you can see from this very simple example how if you have a huge spreadsheet with a zillion numbers, that logical formulas will go through and find things for you and spit out an answer so that you don't have to do it yourself. If you have any other questions about Excel, just email us at answer@pcworld.com.